What if I told you one social media post could reach more potential customers than your last 10 ad campaigns combined? Welcome to the world of influencer marketing, the smartest way to build trust, boost sales, and grow your brand. Are you tired of shouting into the void with your brand's message? Wondering how to truly connect with your audience and drive real results? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of influencer marketing, a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Stick around to learn the step by step process, pros and cons, and mistakes you must avoid to succeed. Let's go. What is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is a powerful strategy where brands collaborate with individuals who have built trust and a loyal following on social media. This influencers promotes products or services to their audiences and creating an authentic engagement, boosting brand awareness. Why is influencer marketing effective? Influencers create a relatable content that feels genuine. This authenticity drives higher engagement compared to traditional ads. They help brands reach specific niche audiences. For example, a fashion influencers can be perfect for promoting clothing brands. Influencer marketing is one of the most effective strategies to build brand awareness, drive engagement, and increase sales. Here is a detailed step by step guideline to help you execute a successful influencer marketing campaign. Step number one, define your goals and objectives. Before reaching out to the influencers, you need to clearly define your goals. Some common objectives includes brand awareness, expanding your reach and visibility, engagements like increasing likes, comments, shares, and brand interactions, lead generation like driving traffic to your websites or capturing potential customer information, sales and conversions like encouraging direct purchases through influencers content. Setting a smart goals like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound, which ensures a clarity and direction. Set measurable KPIs such as follower growth, engagement rates, and website traffic and sales conversions. Identify your target audience. Understanding your audience is the key to selecting the right influencers. Consider the demographics like age, gender, location, income, and education. Interest like what kind of content they consume, for example, fitness, fashion, beauty, tech, etc. Behavior. Where do they engage the most? Like Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. Conduct a market research and use the social media analytic tools like Facebook Audience Insights and Instagram Analytics to refine your audience. Find the right influencers. Selecting the right influencer is crucial. Look for relevance. Does the influencer align with your brand and audience? Engagement rate like high engagements with likes, shares, and comments. That matters more than just the follower count. Authenticity. Check for genuine connections with their audiences, not just the paid promotions. Platform sustainability. Instagram for fashion, YouTube for tutorials, and Twitter for trends. Now let's discuss the types of influencers. Nano influencers with 1K to 10,000K followers, best for niche engagement and lower cost. Micro influencers with 10K to 100K followers, they are great for targeted campaigns with higher interaction rates. Macro with 100K to 1 million followers, they are good for a mass reach but can be expensive. And mega influencers with 1 million plus followers, they are highly visible but lower personal connection with audience. Use platforms like Affluence, Aspire IQ, and Hipsy to find influencers. Choose the right collaboration type. Depending on your goals, choose the ideal partnership model. Sponsored post for influencer promotes your product in a post. Reels and story, these are the short form video content for a higher engagement. Giveaways like boost engagement and follower growth. Affiliate marketing, so influencers earn commission per sales using the unique promo codes. Brand ambassador programs, these are for the long term collaborations and continued promotion. Product reviews and unboxing, this increases the trust and credibility. Video based on collaborations like Reels, YouTube Shorts generally perform better than static posts. Set a budget and compensation plan. Influencers' costs depends on their follower counts and engagement rates. Here is a general estimate for Instagram. Nano influencers with 1k to 10k followers, 500 to 5000 rupees per post. You can do a barter system with them. Micro influencers with 10k to 100k followers with 5000 to 25,000 per post. Macro influencers with 100k to 1 million followers. This cost about depending on 25,000 to 1 lakh per post. Mega influencers like 1 million plus followers, they cost you around 1 lakh plus per post. Payment models like fixed fees for one-time payment for promotion, performance based like affiliate marketing, commission per sales per leads. Negotiate with influencers based on the deliverables like the numbers of post, exclusivity, and usage rights. Create a campaign brief. Provide a detailed campaign brief so the influencers understand your brand expectations, like include brand stories and values, campaign goals and messages, content guidelines like do's and don'ts, hashtags and tags, call to action like swipe up or shop now or use XYZ code. Allow influencers creative freedom to ensure authenticity. Overly scripted content may seem forced. Track and measure performance. Use analytic tools to measure the effectiveness of your influencer campaign. Track like an engagement rate like likes, comments, and shares, reach and impressions like how many people saw the content, CTR like website traffic, and sales conversions. Use tools like Instagram Insight, YouTube Analytics, Facebook Business Suites, Google Analytics to track the website traffic and influencer posts, weekly for the tracking the link clicks. Compare influencers campaign with other marketing channels like ads, email marketing, and evaluate the return on investment. Optimize and scale your strategy. Once your campaign is live, analyze results and optimize for future collaborations. Continue working with top performing influencers. Test different contents formats like long form, short form, and live sessions. Refine messaging based on audience response. Scale campaigns by adding more influencers. Now let's discuss pros and cons of influencer marketing. So with influencer marketing, you can build trust and brand credibility, highly targeted audience reach, and cost effective compared to the traditional ads, with a better engagement and conversion rates. Influencers create a high quality content for your brand. Cons like fake followers and engagement scams, high cost for big influencers, return on investment is not always predictable. Influencers controversies can negatively impact your brand. Influencers controversies can backfire. An influencer's personal scandal can quickly become your brand's nightmare. So choose an authentic, well-researched influencers, set clear goals, track everything, and always prioritize quality over quantity. Compliance issues, not disclosing the paid partnerships. Mistakes to avoid in influencer marketing. Choosing the influencer based on only on follower counts, like engagements matters more. Not setting the clear expectations. Influencer marketing is a powerful tool when executed correctly. Focus on the right influencers, set clear goals, and track performance to get the best return on investment. Influencers create a relatable content that feels genuine. This authenticity drives higher engagement compared to traditional ads. Research and choose the right influencer. Not all influencer is the right fit. Consider these factors. Engagement rate. Higher engagement often matters more than followers count. Niche alignment. Their audience should match your target market. So collaborating with influencers who didn't align with your brand can damage your brand reputation. Authenticity. Check their interactions with the followers to ensure they are genuine. Past collaborations. Look into the previous partnerships for relevance and performance. Develop a collaboration plan. Decide on the type of content you want. Post, stories, reels, and videos, and outline the content guidelines like tone, style, and key messages. Timeline. Clear deadline for content submission and posting. Deliverables like number of posts, usage rights, and platform specifications. Set budget. Influencers rate vary based on follower count and engagement. Consider offering perks like exclusive products or experiences alongside monetary compensation. Legal and compliance check. Always have a formal contract that includes payment terms, milestones, and final payouts. Usage rights like duration and the scope of content usage. Disclosure policies ensures influencers have a hashtags like hashtag ad or sponsored as per the government guidelines. Launch and promote the campaign. Once the content is ready, promote it on your brand channels too. Share influencers' post on your profile and engage with audience's comments. Compare the investment to the overall returns. Optimize the future campaigns. After the campaign ends, evaluate what worked and what didn't. Gather feedback from influencers and use the performance data to refine your strategy for future collaborations. Let's discuss negative points of influencer marketing. Mismatch partnerships can harm your brand. Fake followers and bots leads to a wasted money. Paying for a reach that is not real wastes your budget and gives you zero results. Unpredictable ROI. Without clear strategy and tracking, your investment can disappear without measurable returns. Now let's discuss mistakes to avoid in influencer marketing. Choosing an influencer based on follower counts alone. A big number doesn't guarantee a real engagement or a relevant audience. Focus on quality, not just quantity. Not setting clear goals and contracts. No direction is equal to no result. A well defined brief and a contract protect both brand and the influencer. Ignoring audience relevance. Even the best influencers won't help you if their audience doesn't match your target market. So, relevance is the key here. Failing to track performance metrics. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Always track reach, engagement, clicks, and conversions. Over scripting content, losing an authenticity. Audience crave real opinions, not robotic ads. Give influencers creative freedom. That's where the magic happens. Now, here are the pro tips for successful influencer campaigns. Building long term relationship with influencers. Don't treat influencers like one time ads. Build a genuine partnership for a consistent brand advocacy. Prioritize engagement over follower count. A smaller, loyal, and active community delivers more impact than millions of silent followers. Collaborate on creative content ideas. Influencers know their audience best, so co create authentic, engaging, and platform friendly content together. Offer incentives beyond money like exclusives. Go beyond payments. Offer early product access, brand collaborations, exclusives, and affiliate opportunities. Influencer marketing is not just a trend, it's the future of authentic brand growth. Let us help you create campaigns that people trust and remember. Influencer marketing is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool to scale your brand. Are you ready to leverage the power of influencers and grow your business? Smash the like button if you found this helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing insights. Comment below if you have any questions. Let's build impactful brands together.